Hello, howdy, welcome back to my channel. Here I am in a lovely environment right now. It feels very good and I can feel the oxygen. So I will show you some solutions for a technical problem and I think it will help you. And if it does, please consider subscribing to my channel and support me like that. See you! Thank you guys for watching the video. If the solution was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and you can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. See you again later. Bye.